Okay, welcome back to the second video in my little tutorial lineup. This video will be all about setting up Visual Studio for the modding template. So, yeah, in last episode we installed all the programs. If you haven't installed all the programs, make sure to check out the last video. It's only 6 minutes long, so you should be watching that first. It's very important you watch that and you have everything set up right. Okay. Now you have installed all the programs. Download the modding template Visual Studio 2022. Click on it, you will get this download. Open it. Let it load. Already have it installed, you just install it. Make sure your Visual Studio is closed. But yeah. Install it, very simple. Open Visual Studio. Yeah. No. I hate Windows 11, I'm sorry. So, Visual Studio is open. Now you need to create a new project. You go on the big bottom button, click on it, let it load. Then these ones won't be here, so you have to search for a preset. MyGark, and you should be treated with this entry. Click on it, click continue or next. And now the project name should be unique, some sort of. I will always call mine my name underscore and then what the mod is about. Sorry for this example. If you create a I don't know, Dodge replacement Dodge body kit 1, for example, if you want to create multiple. But yeah, I will call it tutorial. The where you save it is up to you. I have a little repos folder. And then the framework, make sure it's .NET Framework 4.7.2. If this option isn't in your list, watch my last video. There will be, you need this, okay? 4.8 works too, but I use 4.7.2. So these, yeah, just use these. Just use this for the, if you want to follow this tutorial, just use this. You can use other .NET versions, I guess, but this tutorial will be based on this version, so use it, please. Thank you. So click create. We'll load for a bit and we will treat it to this screen. You see a bunch of red text, bunch of errors. If you click on the error tab, it should be clear there's something wrong. And there is something wrong, we're missing references. References are basically external scripts that we haven't programmed, but you can use functions out of it. For example, system scripts are installed on your system, so you don't need to add them manually. But Unity scripts and the simple parts mod we need to add manually, so we have to load them in. For this one, we will just go back into a browser to this screen and download the simple parts loader on Nexus Mods. Click on it, you will get to an error screen or to a hidden mod. Don't be shocked. Just click on mod utils. Fede forgot to change the mod link on the docs to the new mod. Simple parts loader is now part of mod utils. So you go to mod utils, click on manual download, and download it. Should be downloading. I already have it downloaded. So you go back to your downloads folder and open mod utils folder. And there are three files in there, or one folder and 2 files. Yeah, we need 2 of them. We need the folder and the simple parts loader DLL. But first of all, we need to locate our mods folder from the game. For that, you go into Steam, right-click My Garage, then Properties, Local Files, and then I don't know what it's called in English, but the first one. The local files suchen, I don't know what it's called. Not this one, I'm sorry. This one. And now this My Garage folder should be open. And there we go into mods. And these ones shouldn't be here. Whoops, okay. And this one will be, I will explain later. But this mod folder can be empty, but you need these two. The folder and the part loader, just drag it into the mods folder, and you have this installed now. Okay, it's good. Now we go back into Visual Studio. Now we have to add references. You go here to references. It's, for me, it's in German. This is the 4 rectangles thing here. You right click it and add a new reference. This is empty for you. Okay, now you have to add your references. So you go to this button. I don't know what it's called in the English version of Visual Studio. I want to know it. Because I need. I don't know what it's called in. Just search, I guess. Just click the search button, and then go to the My Garage mods folder. You can go to the folder pretty quickly if you go into your My Garage, where we just installed the 2 things. Click here on the little gray space next to mods, and then this should show up. Just right click, copy, go into here, do the same, and then right click, paste. Press enter, bam, you're here. Now double click on Simple Parts Loader. It should be in this list at the top, checked. Then next step, go again, search, go one out of the mods folder. You are now in the My Garage main folder. Go into My Garage _ data, managed, and then click on assembly C# and hold Control, left Control, and click on C#, assembly C# first pass. These 2. Bam. Now they're in the list 2. Next up, go again through search and search the first file in the same folder where the assembly stuff is. Search the first file that starts with Unity. Unity addressables, it's called. Click on it, go all the way to the bottom, and search the last file that ends with starts with Unity. UnityEngine.xr modules. Hold left shift and then click, and everything in between those 2 files should be marked. Click on add, and now the list should be a bit fuller. Click on okay. Let it load. And now the red marking should be gone. Yeah. Now you're set up to create the mod, and this will be in the next video. The next video will be focused on changing these values and explaining a bit what these 2 do. Okay? So, see you in the next video.